Introducing CodeHop, an all-in-one K-6 computer science curriculum with secure Scratch-based and ScratchJr-based environments, grade-level and state-aligned pathways, and ready-to-teach lessons. Teachers get access to a full library of over 400 ready-to-go lessons, organized by grade level and topic. Each lesson includes everything you need to teach computer science with confidence, including slides, video-guided instruction, and built-in support for students. No extra prep required. Lessons are part of a structured pathway, so students build skills over time, not just through one-off activities. From early exposure in lower grades to more advanced concepts later on, students learn using age-appropriate coding environments that make programming approachable and secure from day one. They can jump right in, experiment, and start creating without needing prior experience. Teachers can easily choose lessons that match their classroom needs. Whether you're introducing coding for the first time or reinforcing concepts that students have already seen. And because everything is aligned to state and national standards, it's easy to integrate CodeHop into your existing curriculum and meet your school's goals. Even for teachers with little or no background in computer science, CodeHop provides the structure and guidance needed to be successful. Lessons are clearly organized, easy to follow, and designed to support both teachers and students every step of the way. For students, CodeHop is interactive, creative, and engaging. They're not just completing assignments, they're building projects, solving problems, and developing real coding skills. CodeHop also supports interdisciplinary learning, connecting computer science to subjects like math, science, and more. With CodeHop, you can deliver secure Scratch-based and ScratchJr-based environments, grade-level and state-aligned pathways, and ready-to-teach lessons.